Now when you push it up right from the bottom, right from the tip of it. Fill it up as much as you can. Let it build as much pressure as it. If it
could go all the way over there.
good. If it goes further, even better. If it breaks a window, I'll be happy. Just kidding.
You'll be paying.
No, I won't. I'm not the one doing it.
Yeah, you are. Because you bought that bottle.
Who said that? I didn't buy the bottle. You see a receipt? Where's the receipt? You got proof?
No.
So get out of here with that nonsense,
You
bro.
found that from the garbage can.
No, maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. That's it. It's not building no more. It's not building. It's throwing the water out. Now push it up from the tip.
Theo, look. Theo, look, Daisy, Theo.
George, I'm going to smack you in your face. Nobody told you to get wet. That was whack. Go ahead, let him try. Let him try. He wants to try. Let him try it. Go ahead, you do it. Justin, right? All right, yo. George. Where's George?